Thanks for watching the Patient Attraction Podcast. I'm Colin, receiver. Drill and fill dentists should take note of an announcement from researchers at the University of Alabama at Birmingham. In animal studies, those researchers demonstrated how a molecule they created can block the ability of Streptococcus mutans to form biofilms on teeth. The molecule is completely selective in its action. It's very easy to synthesize. It's very easy to apply. And that is potentially a huge development for dentists. I mean, think about it. No biofilm, no dental plaque. No dental plaque, no calculus. No calculus, no cavities. And if the results from animal studies prove out in human trials, you're potentially looking at the end of a large amount of your dentistry. But that's not all. You could be looking at less need for your dental hygiene department. That could be a sharp decline for gingivitis and periodontitis. You might be looking at fewer endo procedures. And the list of potential impact goes on and on. Cosmetic dentistry, prosthodontics, dental implants, oral surgery. To be fair, there's a long way to go before this new molecule is approved for clinical use. So, don't get the lifeboats out just yet. There's still quite a ways to go, but the news should get you thinking about what you can do to position your practice for success in the face of massive prevention breakthroughs. I mean, let's look at the breakthroughs that happened in your parents' generation or maybe your generation. Political and other discussions aside, fluoride has massively reduced the amount of cavities out there. The availability of dental care has massively increased. And we have a whole new generation with a whole different set of lesser problems than the boomers and the older generations have. Now that these researchers have demonstrated this proof of concept with this new molecule, it's only a matter of time before a similar agent is approved. And the application of the biofilm inhibitor may not require your services. Now, who's to say this molecule couldn't eventually be added to every toothpaste out there? I'm sure Colgate would be very interested. Now, if it's not this breakthrough that changes dentistry as you know it, it's going to be something else or several other things. Again, progress is happening. It's only a matter of time. And as a place to start, think about what your practice would look like if you did a lot less general dentistry. How much more rewarding would it be? Emotionally, rewarding financially, to do more of the cases that you love to do. You don't have to wait for science before you decide to target better prospects, the kind of patients that you want. You don't have to wait to begin increasing your collections. SmartBox works with 550 dentists around the world right now with our industry-leading patient attraction system that can double your practice. The first step, schedule a no-obligation practice discovery session. Let us show you a patient attraction roadmap that can change your future. The end of cavities may be coming, but it doesn't have to be the end of your practice. Join me for our next podcast. Until then, keep moving forward.